Sini bubagrani iman, ini mukam siang. Sini bubagrani mukam, awo tak terlai siang. Sini bubagrani iman, ini mukam siang. Sini bubagrani Tini 27 November, under the guidance of our Maharaj Padma Kishore Devarma, the Tipra Motha party chairman, has already left for Delhi, and we are witnessing our soldiers of our demand, those who are carrying the message of Greater Tipraland are moving in the train, more than 1,400 people. We expect it to be more than 1,500. We have not counted very accurately, but we believe it should be within 1,500. So they are moving today, and we hope and we pray to God they move slowly, softly, and reach Delhi safely. And I'm also going tomorrow by flight, and we'll meet there. And as per our schedule, we shall launch 2 days, 30 and 31, something like that, 29, 30 or 30, 31. So these 2 days will be our very important days when we will be sitting together and submit our memorandum for our demand of Greater Tipraland to the Union Home Minister and other ministers also. Now, through your message, I hope the people of Tipra are witnessing how much we have been struggling, how much we have been fighting to have our right, to retain our constitutional right, because we have been deprived for many, many years, and we are still fighting. Last more than 56 years I'm fighting. And I still remember when we went to Delhi in 1967-68. Train did not have this kind of standard. We were pushed by the neighbor, by the police, through window, because we could not have entrance into the railway also. That was the condition. But today, as of today, the system of railway is improved and our people are sitting comfortably. I'm told that 2 bogies are missing, and our leaders are talking with the railway authority to join 2 more bogies so that our people can comfortably be accommodated. So this is my message to the union government also, that they should attend their heart and mind to positively give us our demand of Greater Tipraland. Thank you. Ambai. Good night.